Gold dust on my jacket, ticket in my hand. Old men at the depot talk slow like the land. Their whistle cuts the morning thin as a pocket knife. East Broad Top is breathing back into my life. Take me slow down that narrow line, past busted barns and rusted signs. Let the hills roll by till the hurting stops. I find my heart on the East Broad Top. Blackstone stacks and briars, ghosts of company towns, porch light over coffee, screen door slamming down. A kid waves from the crossing, bare feet in the gravel. I see my younger shadow chasing every rattle. Smoke in the tree line, names in the cross ties. Every mile a story, every curve a goodbye. I lean out the window, let the cinders fall. If this line is forgotten, who am I